Mrs. Memansa. From gossips to scandals to year-enders and awards, from BTS's reunion over a live broadcast to G-Dragon's world tour, a lot happened in the Korean entertainment industry. In case you missed out on all that made news, we got you sorted. Here's everything that made news in the past 7 days. BTS playfully went live on Weverse, leaving their entire fandom in a frenzy. The K-pop boy band's chaotic shenanigans blew up the internet. Take a look.
It was a treat for ARMYs to see all 7 members of BTS, Jin, J-Hope, Suga, RM, V, Jimin and Jungkook joining in for a fun interaction. From their choreo callbacks to RM revealing he finally got his driving license, there was a lot that these members shared. Suga, in specific, left fans asking for more with his appearance. BTS has been working hard towards getting their new music in place ahead of their impending comeback album and a world tour slated for 2026. They have also been sweating out in the dance rehearsals for the same.
Ahead of EXO's new album, Reverse X, its members Suho, Dio and Baekhyun are facing sugar mommy allegations for dating multiple older women in and around SM Entertainment. Here's a report.
EXO is facing trouble ahead of its upcoming 8th full-length album, Reverse XE, set for release on January 19, 2026. In what could have been the iconic K-pop group's thunderous opening to the new year, has turned a tad messy owing to controversies that have hit several members one after the other. Suho, Dio and Baekhyun are facing trouble after getting dragged in relationship rumors. Group leader Suho is facing rumors that link him romantically to Chae Jung-min, an inside director at SM Entertainment. Dio is getting linked with company Susu founder Nam Kyung-soo, who was a former director at SM Entertainment and Dio's longtime manager. Meanwhile, Baekhyun found his name connected with 100 chairperson Cha Ga-woon based on proof of her living in the same place as him.
NCT Wish's Sion and Heart to Heart's Jiwoon found themselves caught up in a dating rumor after a now deleted photo surfaced online. Here's a report.
NCT Wish's Sion and Heart to Heart's member Jiwoo have been facing allegations of dating after a list of evidence went viral recently. A post by a netizen seemingly claimed the pair was on a date. Though the photo was deleted, it had by then found its way on social media. Many noted that the background of the click suggested Sion and Jiwoo were in Japan, potentially outside a store and wearing matching hats, although their faces were not clearly visible. This isn't the first time Sion and Jiwoo have grabbed eyeballs. The two fifth-generation idols triggered dating rumors after a fan-compiled post pointed out coincidences some time back.
Lee Byung-hun has been recognized as one of the year's most outstanding performers by New York Times Magazine. Lee is known for projects like Squid Game and the recent hit No Other Choice.
Lee Byung-hun has been named one of the year's most outstanding performers by the New York Times Magazine. This comes as the South Korean actor has already been creating waves across global platforms with his latest movie No Other Choice. Lee featured alongside other global stars like Liam Neeson for The Naked Gun, Kristen Dunst for Roofman, and Tiana Taylor for One Battle After Another in the standout performances on screen this year. The New York Times Magazine announced its list of great performers from the best films of 2025. In its list, it declared 10 actors who gave exceptional performances this year. Lee earned a spot on the list for his role in No Other Choice, directed by Park Chan-wook, adding to his global dominance.
G-Dragon successfully wrapped up his sole encore shows of his 2025 world tour amid some unexpected reunions and a star-studded guest list.
G-Dragon proved why he is one of the greatest K-pop artists. The Big Bang member, who recently wrapped up his G-Dragon 2025 World Tour, had a star-studded concert in Seoul, and the show felt like a mini reunion for not just his band but also featured several idols and K-drama actors. Photos and videos of BTS members Jungkook and J-Hope grooving along with 17 members Mingyu and Hoshi in the audience flooded social media. The concert also saw Big Bang members Taeyang and Daesung joining G-Dragon on stage, giving the audience a surprise they didn't expect. The starry show also saw Im Si-wan and Kwang Yi, Lee Min-ho, Girls' Generation's Taeyong, Baby Monsters Ah-young, Park Myung-soo and many others. G-Dragon's concert was even filmed and will have a theatrical release later. He also teased Big Bang's future activities during the show.
The Korea Entertainment Management Association has issued a strong statement regarding Park Na-rae's ongoing controversy with her former managers.
The Korea Entertainment Management Association has strongly reacted to the allegations, stating that the matter is seriously harming South Korea's entertainment industry. It further warned that it will take decisive organizational action if the claims against Park Na-rae get confirmed. Two of Park Na-rae's former managers recently filed criminal charges against the comedian for workplace harassment, aggravated assault, proxy prescriptions, and unpaid production expenses. The managers accused Park of abuse and exploitation, putting the agency under massive public scrutiny. Park was also suspected of paying salaries to her ex-boyfriend and family members while underpaying her actual employees.
Gangnam Style singer Psy recently came under scanner after police conducted search and seizure of the offices of his agency, P Nation.
The investigation happened amid allegations that the singer had his manager and others collect psychotropic drugs on his behalf. Psy is under investigation for allegedly breaching the Medical Service Act. He is suspected of having received prescriptions for drugs, especially Xanax and Stilnox, from a university hospital in Seoul since 2022 without even having in-person consultations. The medications were allegedly collected by his manager or other third parties on his behalf. Xanax and Stilnox are commonly prescribed to treat sleep disorders, anxiety, and depression. Due to their potential for dependence and misuse, such medications typically require in-person consultations to ensure proper use and monitoring.
Tiffany Young from Girls' Generation and actor Byun Yoo Han have confirmed their relationship. The actors who were part of Disney Plus show Uncle Samsick have marriage on the mind.
Girls' Generation member Tiffany Young and actor Byung Yoo Han are confirmed to be dating. Though they are yet to decide on the wedding date, marriage is definitely on the cards. The news has left their fans excited and wanting to know more. Byun Yoo Han and Tiffany Young first met while working together on Disney Plus original series Uncle Samsick in 2024, sparking relationship rumors. The couple has now confirmed they've been going strong and are ready to take the plunge.
There might be more in store for APT hitmakers Rosé and Bruno Mars. The two artists have teased that they have a new song to release, leaving fans truly excited.
Rosé and Bruno Mars spoke to Billboard recently as their track APT from the K-pop Idols album Rosie ruled its 2025 year-end charts. On the sidelines of looking back at the making of APT, its mammoth success and their friendship, they even hinted that fans could expect another release from them. Bruno Mars stated that there's one more song, though they are trying to figure out when and how to release it. They also reflected on creating APT and Number One Girl together. Rosé revealed how Bruno gave her some of very important advices while writing Number One Girl, another track from Rosie.
Kim Woo Bin's close friend Lee Kwan So has confirmed to turn host for his wedding with Shin Min-ha, slated to happen this weekend.
Kim Woo Bin and Shin Min Ha's wedding has remained a top headline ever since the beloved Korean couple decided to take their decade-long relationship a step ahead. After Woo Bin's friend and EXO member Dio recently revealed that he would have to give the wedding a miss due to his band's upcoming Melon Music Awards performance, his other friend, actor Lee Kwang-soo, is set to perform a crucial duty at the ceremony. It is known that the three South Korean stars are thick friends and often take time off their busy schedules to spend time with each other. Hence, Lee Kwang-soo will turn MC at Kim Woo Bin and Shin Min-ha's wedding, his agency confirmed. Woo Bin and Min-ha will tie the knot on December 20th.
And that's all we have in this week's edition. For all the entertainment updates, follow Zoom. This is Mimansa Shekhar signing off. Bye-bye.